Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Crystals, crystals. My window is covered with crystals of ice. They make a picture that looks very nice. My mom stirs sugar crystals into her tea. I shake salt crystals on macaroni. Crystals in my clock tell me the time. Crystals in my pencil let me write this rhyme. My mom wears crystals made to be seen. They're red, yellow, orange, blue, purple, and green. I wear a small crystal that's clear as glass. Light from a lamp makes it sparkle and flash. The crystals in my computer make it run. Then I can play games and have lots of fun. And crystal's the name my parents gave me. I've got lots of reasons to like crystals, you see.